I'll make contact with.
Man, what this? Oh, you serious right now? You can't be serious. Here we go. I don't wonder what this is going to be about. You're always harassing people. Always harassing people. I don't know what the issue is.
What is he?
But something has to be done about it.
Excuse me, sir. Could you put your hands on the steering wheel, please?
What'd I do this time?
Oh, you failed to stop at a stop sign, okay?
Well, you see a stop sign there, sir?
There's a stop sign right back there. If you wouldn't mind, put your hands on the steering wheel for me.
Yeah, you fearing for your life again, huh?
No, sir. I just need to put your hands on the steering wheel. Thank you, sir. All right, my name's Deputy Pierce with the Columbus County Sheriff's Office, all right?
Yeah.
If you wouldn't mind providing me your registration, proof of insurance, and your driver's license.
Do I have to?
Yes, sir.
Y'all get trained to harass people?
I'm not harassing you, sir.
I'll tell you what, man. I'm gonna reach in this box. Is that
That's
okay?
fine. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, anybody got time to be getting shot for nothing?
All right, sir.
Hey, can you hurry up? I'm in a rush.
I'll do the best I can, okay? Give me just a moment.
All right. Golly, boy. I don't know. What's up, man? These people must be getting trained to harass people or something. Having a perfectly good day, and look at it. Man, I tell you what.
1025, 232, our teacher road, perfect bumper pit. Call our boss at service hazard. 10 several days. Offers less than half.
You better be giving no ticket for something I ain't do.
All right, sir. I'm going to have to give you a citation for failing to stop at that stop sign, okay?
Stop sign. Where's stop sign at?
There's a stop sign right back there, okay? Yes, sir. We actually have body cameras and dash cameras right now. They're both recording. All right?
So y'all not only harass people, but y'all got this high technology.
There's no harassment, sir, but we do have cameras, all right?
So if I take this to court, which I plan to do, you can prove it.
Absolutely. I'm recording you 2 ways right now.
All right. Can
All
you
right,
get
sir.
my ticket so I can go?
Here's all your information, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right, sir. You drive safe, all right?
You as well.
All right.
The video you just watched is an introduction to the citizens of the new technology our staff has been equipped with. These body-worn cameras and dash cameras are unlike many other forms of police technology. Body-worn cameras can serve both a law enforcement and a public accountability function. Body cameras worn by our deputies can be useful for documenting law enforcement misconduct, use of force situations, but footage can also be used to surveil both people that our deputies interact with, third parties, as an intervention tool to identify needs for future training. As many have seen in the recent years, body-worn cameras have shed light on many tragic situations and were used to give clarity when it was needed the most. The Columbus County Sheriff's Office in years past have had a version of body and in-car cameras, but through those years, they were outdated and not being used effectively. Under my leadership, we have upgraded our body and car cameras with trusted and reliable technology at a price of $300,000. Our staff have been trained in the use of the new system, and it has already proven valuable in their daily activities. Along with providing transparency to the public, we are also able to improve training for deputies and collect valuable evidence during an investigation. This is a great step forward for our office to be able to introduce valuable tools for the benefit of our citizens. I will continue to improve the services that we provide to our citizens because this Sheriff's Office is dedicated to serving you. Thank you for watching, and please stay alert and stay safe.